At Expertec, we believe in providing tailored solutions that help our customers, fleets, and businesses succeed. And sometimes that means stepping out of the office and getting hands-on in the shop. Our business development manager, Michael Chang, traded his dress shirt for work gloves recently to assist with installing a Ranger design van partition. Learning the installation process firsthand gives our team a better understanding of the products we offer, allowing us to recommend the best solutions with confidence. It's this commitment to knowledge and real-world experience that sets Expertec apart. When we say we know how to upfit your fleet for success, we mean it, because we've done it ourselves. Need the right setup for your work vehicles? Let's talk. We're here to help you build a more efficient, safe, and productive fleet. Expertec. Tailored solutions, upfitting commercial vehicles, configured to your specific needs.